to download video from Facebook into your phone gallery for free. Now, how do you do this? The first thing you need to do is go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store and download this app, Video Downloader. Search for this particular app. You search for this particular app, or Video Downloader and Player. So you go ahead to download this app. Go ahead to download this app. Okay, I already have it downloaded. So after downloading it, what you need to do, you now go to your Facebook and search for the video you want to download. Let's say you want to download this video from our Facebook. What to do is click on this button here. Click on that button.
Another stupid bullshito video, bro.
And
What the hell are you doing?
you search for.
What the hell was that?
And search for that particular application you downloaded. You look at it here. We have it here. Then you click on it. Now you can see that it has opened and you are seeing HD video. You want to download it on HD video, or you want this is a 4.8 megabyte and this SD video 1.26 megabyte, and this audio you want to download just the audio. You click here. But if you want to download the video, you either click on HD video or SD video. So I'll click on SD video, and you see that it's downloading. Okay, it has finished downloading. So I'll go to my gallery and search for that particular video. Okay, I think this is it. Alright, this is the video, guys. This is how to download a video directly from your Facebook to your phone gallery. If you think value from this, please subscribe.
Another stupid bullshito video, bro.
Share this particular video so that others can see it.
What the hell are you doing?